This is a really, really powerful page for you if you do want to get people to stop scrolling and pay attention to your content. So, as I mentioned, I used to stand up on stages, I would speak around the world, and before I started speaking, I looked at some of the best talks in the world, and I started to look for what are the commonalities. And what I found was in the first few seconds of the talk, the speaker had something that I called a wake up statement, or a compelling statement that got people to stop, pay attention, lean forward in their seats, and wake up. Now, as I transitioned from speaking on stages to speaking in front of my computer or my cell phone, is obviously these things are what we call hooks now. But there are certain things that we can say that get people to stop scrolling and pay attention to our content. And that's ultimately what these wake up statements are. You'll see that there is a huge list of wake up statements to choose from, and that can feel a little bit overwhelming. In fact, you can load more. There's even more than what is being seen on the screen here. So there's, I believe, well over 100 that I've got listed. But what you might find is that you're creating a very specific type of content. So what makes this list even more useful is I've organized all of these wake up statements by statement type. So we've got behind the scenes. So if you're somebody who's showing what's going on behind the scenes of your business, these wake up statements would be relevant to you. If you want to create some controversy, those ones are relevant. Curiosity, a hero's journey. So to share your background or how you came to do what you do right now, where you're sharing ideas or industry secrets or lies that people are commonly told, where there's a specific issue or problem that you're addressing in the industry. You're imparting lessons or advice. You're sharing some news. You're sharing an offer with people. You're sharing results or specific results you've gotten for people. Maybe you want to share a technique or a hack that people can implement in their businesses or in their lives. Common time wasters, things that people are wasting their time doing, or tools and resources. So if I was to select one of these, let's say I wanted to share my background or my hero's journey, and I click on this, it's only going to show me the wake up statements that are relevant. So this is how I started in my industry. These are the 3 biggest mistakes I've made as a marketing consultant. 3 things you never knew about me. Hey, have we met yet? And here's the introduction post. So these are the actual statements, and these are organized by statement type. So this is a great resource if you are looking to create some interest, get people to stop scrolling within the first few seconds of your video content.